Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sharia Anjum, Assistant Professor of Political Science in the School of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences at Sage University, Bhopal. So our topic for today's lecture is 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So let us first understand what is schedule. A schedule is basically the table which contains additional information which is not mentioned in the articles. So basically, a schedule contains the list of official languages of India, and the objective behind this schedule is to unite together the diversity of the Indian subcontinent. If we see the constitutional provision, then Part 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with official languages under Article 343 to 351. It is important here to mention that there is no national language of India. However, Article 343, Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution specifically mentions that the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. And Article 351 talks about promotion of Hindi. At present, there are 22 official languages in the 8th schedule, but 14 languages were only there at the commencement of the Constitution. Eight languages have been added through constitutional amendment under Article 368. They are the first one was 21st Constitutional Amendment in 1967. This amendment added Sindhi in the 8th schedule. The next is Nepali, Manipuri, and Konkani. These three languages were added through 71st Constitutional Amendment in 1992. Then Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, and Santhali were added through 92nd Constitutional Amendment in 2003. According to Home Ministry report, 39 more languages are demanding to include in a schedule, like for example, Bhojpuri, Gondi, Tulu, etc. Now let us see the 22 languages that are enlisted in 8th schedule. The first one is Assamese. It is spoken in Assam. Second is Bengali, spoken in Bangladesh, West Bengal, Assam, and Tripura. Then there is Gujarati. Gujarati is spoken in Gujarat. Then there is Hindi. Hindi is spoken in North India. Kashmiri. Kashmiri is spoken in Kashmir. Then there is Kannada. Kannada is spoken in Karnataka basically. Then there is Konkani. Konkani is spoken in Goa, South Bombay, North Karnataka, Kerala. There is Malayalam. Malayalam is spoken in some parts of Kerala, Lakshadweep, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Then there is Manipuri. Manipuri is spoken in Manipur, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, uh, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Then there is a Marathi. Marathi is basically spoken in Maharashtra, Goa side, Karnataka, Gujarat, Daman, Deep. Then there is Nepali. Nepali is the national language of Nepal and spoken in northeast states, Bhutan side, Tibet, Myanmar. Then there is Odia. It is spoken in Odisha. Then there is Punjabi. Punjabi language spoken in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan. Then there is a Sanskrit language. Nowadays, Sanskrit language is spoken in very few places and by very few people. And there is Sindhi. Sindhi is spoken in Gujarat. Then there is Tamilian language. Tamilian language spoken in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Sri Lanka. Then there is Telugu. Telugu spoken in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Then there is Urdu. Urdu spoken in Jammu Kashmir, Telangana, Delhi, UP, Bihar. Then there is Bodo. Bodo is spoken in Northeast. Then there is Dogri. Dogri is spoken in Jammu and Kashmir. Maithili is spoken in North Bihar and Nepal. Then there is Santhali. Santhali language spoken in Assam, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Tripura. So we have seen the list of 22 official languages And here we can see that English is not in the 8th schedule, but Article 348 of the Indian Constitution says that language of Supreme Court and High Court shall be English, which means English is the language of the law, but not in the 8th schedule. So I hope you find this video informative. If you find it, then please do like and share. Thank you.